Hello viewer, OpenAI is rolling out an age prediction system. If there is a doubt, user will automatically get the under 18 experience. Some may even be asked for ID. About ChatGPT age verification system, the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, said that we know this is a privacy compromise for adult, but believe it, it is a worthy trade-off. The move follow revelations that the boys exchange up to 650 messages in a day with ChatGPT. So if you consider your privacy and you want to verify age in ChatGPT, you may need to upload a government ID or take a selfie depending on your location. And remember, if you are between 13 to 17 years old, a parent or a guardian must complete the verification for you. The process is handled through a security third-party service such as Yoti or Persona, and you will be guided through each step in the app.